It's that heat, boy.
Yo, how's it going YouTube? Pop Plays here, back with another video. Anyway guys, today I'm actually going to be teaching you how to get them Benny's original wheels on the RC Bandit. It's a pretty easy glitch, it only takes fucking maybe max a minute. And yeah, before we get into the glitch guys, I just want to say if you are new to the channel and wouldn't mind subscribing with post notifications on, liking the video and commenting something nice, that'll be much appreciated. And also guys, I am doing a $5 million giveaway. There will be steps on the screen now, and today is actually the last day to enter, and I'll be announcing the winners tomorrow. So yeah, good luck and enjoy the video. Peace. Alright guys, so to start off the glitch, you're actually just going to want to spawn into a new game. But guys, once you spawn in, you want to have your spawn location set to the bunker, and you want to actually spawn right inside of your bunker right off the bat. So as soon as you spawn into the game, you should be spawning inside of your bunker. Now guys, once you actually spawned inside your bunker, after you do that there, you just want to exit your bunker and make your way over to your arena workshop. Now from here, you actually want to get into the car that you're going to be using to merge onto the RC. So I'm using this here lowrider with the Benny's wheels. So literally you could use any other Benny's car to merge the wheels onto it. Now guys, from here all you need to do is drive into the workshop, and once you're inside the workshop you just need to exit the vehicle. Now from here guys, you want to actually go and request a job from Simeon or Ron, it doesn't matter. I just went ahead here and requested a job from Simeon. Now guys, once you actually request a job from Simeon, all you need to do is just wait for him to actually send you the job invitation. Now guys, once Simeon sent you the job invitation, you want to get as close as you can to the RC Bandit. So it says at the top of your screen, press right D-pad to modify. Once you've done that there, you just want to go, and you actually want to go into your phone and launch the job. So you want to just launch your Simeon job. Now guys, once you're inside the job, all you need to do is click RB or R1 for PlayStation. So just click RB, and then from here you want to just click right D-pad 3 times. So right D-pad, right D-pad, right D-pad, and then from there you just want to back out of the mission. Now guys, as you can see, boom, the wheels are on the RC Bandits, and yes, literally as easy as that there. It's like the easiest glitch. It's the easiest merge glitch out, and it's literally, you're not going to get any easier glitches than this at the moment. Now guys, you're not done yet, so do not click off the video. What you need to do next guys is just go back over and modify your RC car. From here you can literally just change the lid. So I just changed the lid here, put a spoiler on it literally, and boom, that's the wheel saved. If you do not do this here part, then the wheels won't save and you'll have to do it again. So make sure you do change one modification. And yeah, that is actually the glitch. Now guys, if you actually did enjoy today's glitch and wouldn't mind seeing some more unreal glitches, do not forget to subscribe with the post notifications on guys, and also like the video because that really does help out. You don't even know how much it helps. And liking the videos just shows how much support I have. The last video got I think about 10 likes, which was good. So if we could aim for about 10 likes again, that would be really good. And yeah guys, anyway, have a good day and peace.